In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use your phone's hotspot with Google TV. This is a useful trick if you don't have access to a Wi-Fi connection and you would still like to use your Google TV. Okay, so now we want to scroll down from the top of our screen and make sure our mobile data is turned on. And then we'll need to click and hold on mobile hotspot. This will take us into the mobile hotspot settings. Toggle on the mobile hotspot, and you also have your network name and password. These are the things that we'll need when we're on the Google TV to connect. Then we'll go over to settings on the Google TV and down to network and internet. And once you're in here, you'll see our Android hotspot, which is our hotspot on our phone. Here we'll enter the password. Now it's connecting to our Android hotspot, connected successfully. And now we'll be able to watch anything on our Google TV whilst connected to our mobile phone's internet. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you found it useful and you were able to connect your phone's hotspot to your Google TV. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.